In this video I'm going to show why a Nissan NV200, the Renault engine, sounds like a diesel. It's basically the tensioner when the belt gets stretched. So I put it in drive. Hear it? Been getting worse over the last 3 years. So it's like every time I accelerate from stopped, also when I start, when it's cold it does it. So I was thinking it was piston slap. The belt is stretched. So what I'm going to do is change the belt. And there's two different sizes, 47 inch and 48 inch. I went to the dealer and got a dealer belt. You do have to pull the wheel and reach the belt in here. Now, when I measure the old belt, I get 48.5 inches. So they're almost identical. Let's see what the difference is. If you look close, there's an arrow and a notch. They match up. Let's see how it sounds now. And it only makes the noise going into gear and a little bit of throttle. It took me 3 years to figure this out, where I was putting up with the noise getting progressively louder. I hope it saves you trouble. It's a simple fix. Change the belt, use the right size belt, get the notches to match, and you're good to go. Also, this icon tool, 14mm, makes it really easy to hold the tensioner, and it even would fit underneath a pipe where it could hold it by itself. I hope you like watching this video. Thanks for watching.